Today's video is gonna be kind of different for me. Sorry, I'm nervous doing this. Today I want to be a little bit more personal, a little bit more vulnerable, just share some things about I'm just kidding, I'm just kidding. Today I'm gonna tell you all about Hidden Crown's newest launch, their V-clips. Back in the 60s, these things were called falls, or they were called switches, and basically they were like a half wig that you just brushed your own hair over. But Hidden Crown improved the technology, and now everyone can have literally thick, luscious hair in minutes. Other hair extension companies, this would be like 2 or 3 packs of hair, and you would be putting in like 15 clip-ins. And I'm sorry, I don't have time for that, okay? I'm a busy mom. Not a mom. Look at this beautiful color gradient. This is literally like balayage, ashy dreams. Bottom line, you're gonna like the way you look. I guarantee it. Spooky. So I'm gonna grab my Hidden Crown teasing comb, I'm gonna section my hair, and I'm gonna clip it all the way from top of the ear to top of the other ear. So now I'm gonna grab my teasing comb, and I'm really gonna tease that section underneath, okay? You wanna create a really strong anchor for the extension to clip into. It's crucial. I'm gonna hairspray that tease section to really lock it in. And now starting from the middle clips, I'm just going to clip this extension in.
After a long day at work, I don't want to see that.
Okay, so you guys, this was one hairpiece. It's bone straight, which any extensionista out there, you know that ain't forgiving. I haven't cut any layers, and it still looks, I'm gonna go ahead and say it, gorgelina. So Hidden Crown actually now has hot tools. You get this lightsaber looking base, and then it comes with 3 different irons that you just put on top. So I'm gonna use the classic curling iron top, and I'm just gonna do a soft, beautiful wave today. Sharon! And the results? This hair is so beautiful, it's making me evil. The result is this bombshell, sexy, gorgeous, pop star mermaid fantasy. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, bon voyage. What?